Morning. So you probably have noticed by the title, but today is the day I'm going to get my new iPad Pro and I cannot wait. All I know so far, I'm getting the iPad Pro and I want to get the pencil, but I might get more adapters. I don't know, probably won't, but let's go to Glasgow together. But before we do that, I need to tidy my room. I've been working in the last 3 days in a row and it's got really bad. So let's tidy my room. So we're on our way to get my iPad Pro and just general shopping as well. Before we go to the Apple store and get my new iPad, I was needing to stock up on food. Hopefully I don't stink with onions, but I love this. And then I got a star cookie and cheese, and that's what I got. I think it's over here, Dad.
Yeah, over.
You just do that. It's rubbish. It's not aesthetically pleasing. So this is my new iPad. I'm just downloading Final Cut Pro. Compared to my other iPad, it is ginormous. Mind the marks on it. I've literally not got a case or a screen protector. I've ordered an iPad case. I will put that on it tomorrow. So mind how it looks. I've not got a screen protector or a case on it yet. I'm just trying to be very careful with it. But I now need to connect this. I will show you it with Final Cut Pro. Sometimes it's not wanting to load. I don't know why. So I do need to pay for it still, but I have downloaded it. That's the first app, and this is everything else I've got on my iPad. But I'm going to do a proper what's on my iPad when I've got it all sorted. Some of the stuff that's on there I personally don't want anymore, or I just need to organize it, like, because I can do bigger widgets and stuff like that. But let's get on with the pen. Also, I need to show you the rest of the products I got. So I've already showed you this, but I need to connect it onto the... So I'm assuming it's this bit that connects. And that's it. Apple Pencil connected. It's so cool because now I can just leave it on there. Hopefully it does not fall off. So you do get a different type of charger. I didn't know that because I've just bought another charger, but I can use that on my iPhone. And this is the plug. It's probably not the best Apple unboxing that you've ever seen. I'm not your typical aesthetic girl, like I did a video on it on my TikTok a couple of weeks ago. I'm just someone who loves Apple products and also spreads awareness about disabilities and just shares my life, and as you call them, content creators or influencers, but I prefer the term content creator. But if you are new here, I don't do many products about this beauty. How aesthetically pleasing is it? I've been seeing Pinterest videos for ages, and now being able to have one and be like, I've got my pen on my iPad. I got the space grey, guys, by the way. Also, I haven't showed you the colour. So I got the space grey so it's not as messy. But yeah, what I was saying, I'm not your typical Apple unboxing person. I literally share my life about living my day-to-day life with the disabilities I have. I've got cerebral palsy and a learning disability and epilepsy. So that is what my content's about. But this is also part of my life because I'm upgrading the content. I'm gonna do better content. And the last and final thing I need to show you guys is the camera quality. So this is it proper zoomed in. Obviously I am so close to you guys right now, and this is it zoomed out. I don't know if it's better quality than my phone. I will find that out when I edit these clips. But also, this is the front camera. Can I just say, the front camera. My front camera can definitely not do this. And let me show you the back camera. So this is the back camera. This is it as close as it can be. And then this is how far it can go. So it does go quite wide at the back camera. I think it's a bit wider than the front camera, but I'm also impressed that it can actually go wide on the front camera. I can officially proper vlog, because even though I vlog on my phone, when I'm at home and I'm doing like a TikTok day in my life and I'm filming TikToks, I can't really film me doing the TikToks because I'm doing it on my phone. But also I can do it on my iPad now. Because the quality was so bad on my iPad camera, I just didn't feel right to film on my iPad. From going to quality like this to quality like my old iPad. But now I've got better quality on both of them. But I hope you enjoyed this. Buying my new iPad Pro 12.9 inch to unboxing it. By the way, I'm happy to answer any questions down below, but I feel like the one question I'm going to get, if this does reach people who want to buy an iPad Pro, is what size to get. Should I get an iPad Pro 11 inch or should I get an iPad 12.9? Now, if you're going off the prices, the 11 inch one is so much cheaper. But I had a normal iPad, I think it was a 6th generation. But I had that iPad and the guy we were speaking to pretty much said, well, he showed us a kind that would pretty much be my iPad that was at home. And it's pretty much the same size as the iPad 11 inch. And in my brain, if I'm going to upgrade on my iPad, I want a proper upgrade. I want the iPad to be a bigger size. I want better apps and a better camera. The main 3 reasons why I upgraded my iPad is 1, for the Final Cut Pro. 2, better camera quality so I can film better videos and get all angles possible. And even when I'm like filming a video, that sometimes I'll film vlogs and I'll need to stop the recording from that angle and then film on that angle. And yes, on the editing side you don't see that I'm doing that, you just see the different clips. But it will be so much easier to be able to set up this iPad on the recording and set up my phone up there, so I can just switch from different angles. I just think it's gonna really upgrade my content. I'm gonna stop talking. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and buy my new iPad Pro. I will be doing a what's on my iPad very soon. And I can't wait for the new content. Bye.